Hi, I'm Jason Buck. I work with RE/MAX Estate Properties here in Palos Verdes. Our real estate market is very hot. Homes are sometimes selling in less than a week. Now, you may not have all the time to get to all these homes, but I do. And I shoot a virtual tour to help you save time.
All right, nice little open area here, patio. This is a great spot. I love this area. Coming on in, there's a skylight. Opens this right up into this. Beautiful. Great setup here. Comes down, it's 2 steps down, and then this will be the master. Walk-in closet. Ooh, big walk-in here. All the way deep. Vaulted ceiling. I think there's another closet. Yeah, linen closet in the master. Here's a big bath with the sunken tub. Pretty. So on this side, we have 1 bedroom. Full-on living room with fireplace. Nice big room, vault. Looking back the other way through our dining to the kitchen. Some view from here. This is a beautiful room. So we're right at sunset. We're coming into the outside. A hot tub, covered patio. And the view. So this tree can be trimmed. There's a little bit of trees in the view here. But when you get out here, it's huge. So Catalina's off to the left. You can see Isthmus right in there. And then this one wraps around more towards, the mountains will be in the distance there. Wow, it's pretty. So, the hot tub's in this patio, it's cool. Real nice. It's sunset right now. This is a nice little room, so you do get some view here.
6 rooms that you got. This one, and then there's a room upstairs, which I call the upstairs basement.
So here's dining, which also has a good view from dining. You can right out to the ocean. And then we're on into the kitchen. Skylight in the middle, island. And then another, like a nook area here, because this is, wow, some nice skylights. That's a good area there, and then it steps into this, another downstairs family room and a bar. It's pretty nice. And then this goes back out to the patio as well, so it's pretty easy. Let's see what's back here. Wow, huge upstairs room. I guess it could be a bedroom, but it's like a whole nother place. 3/4 bath. In a huge room with a kind of like a kitchen. I don't see a stove, but you can easily have a cooktop here. There's a sink and a dishwasher. Interesting. Barbecue out here, okay. Here we get a big view. See all the way around. This will be sunsets all year, so I can see the end of Catalina right here. That means the Santa Barbara Island's in there, and Malibu's up there. Pretty neat. It's a big room. The color right now is so gorgeous, but unfortunately it's from the smoke, which is unfortunate. So here's one in the back. No light, sorry. Here's a laundry. This probably has access to the garage. So step down 2 steps into a 3-car garage. Neat. So, neat. So one original bath. One bedroom. There's 2. This one's got a skylight. We have some more bedrooms here. 3. And this has got a bit of a vault to it. It's got an angle. The windows have been redone, which is nice. There is cottage cheese though. Looks like the soft stuff, so that comes off pretty easy. And this is another original bath. Four. So nice windows that they put in. 4 bedrooms, plus the other one on the other side makes 5, or in the one up top.
Like, oh no, how are we gonna get in there? Yeah, no, we haven't been
This is the master, and then the room upstairs. So 4, 5. So this is bedroom 5. And then this room. So a lot of room. Wow, a lot of heat inside. The sun is orange.
Yeah, well, you texted me.
Thanks a lot for watching. If there's a home that you want to see, please write to me. I'd be happy to show it to you. I have a lot of information that I'd be happy to share. Just give me a call or write me an email. Thanks and make it a great day.